I didn't see you there. I'm Neil Sanders, Quincy University student here. Many of you may know me from walking around or being in one of your classes. And you're probably wondering why I'm here right now. Well, I'm here to teach you how to change a flat tire. I'm going to teach you the basic steps to successfully change your own flat tire. Many of you may be lost, and I was right there with you 5 years ago. I remember one time, I don't even want to go into it. Anyways, first and foremost, you need a flat tire. This makes sense. It's the first and most important thing in changing a flat tire. You don't want to change a flat tire if it's not flat. It doesn't make any sense, does it? If you're driving when this happens, and you get your flat tire, it is specifically important to pull over and turn on your hazard lights. And when you pull over, it's important to preferably find a flat surface so your car doesn't go rolling down a hill. And after you do that, that's when you can start changing your car tire. That's where you grab your car changing kit, you get your spare tire, and then you're off to the races. And once you got your car changing kit, it's important to get your car jack, which is this sucker right here. And once you get it, this is the thing that elevates the car in the air. It's obviously important to put the car jack by the flat tire in the specific spot on the frame and elevate the sucker in the air. And once you're done doing that, you grab the tire iron, which is this sucker. This is what you twist the bolts off with. Lefty, loosey, not righty tighty. Makes sense, it's kid stuff. I'm telling you, you got it, you get it. And then once you have all the lug nuts loosened, that's when you can take the flat sucker off the car, grab your spare tire, and throw it out. And then it's all downhill from there. Once you get the spare tire on, you do the opposite of taking it off. You put the lug nuts righty-tighty, tightening them on. Then you take the car jack, lower the car back down, and then it's back on its feet. So once your car is back on its four wheels, you get the car changing kit, you put everything back in your car, and then that's when you can go and pick up little Susie from soccer practice, okay? Have a good one.